Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day 25 of our 41-day sacred healing journey. Let us start our meditation. I hope you have completed your EFT. If not, please complete it as that will release your blockages. If you are comfortable, place your left hand on your heart and right under your belly button. This will create a circuit. If that is not possible, you can clasp your hand like this and sit comfortably. This meditation is better when you are sitting and doing it as well as when you are awake. And this meditation also has no music. So here we go. Close your eyes. Let us set an intention today. I honor my needs. I protect my energy. I'm ready to release my soul for free without any controls. I'm ready to heal physically, emotionally, relationships, financials, and my spiritual. So I balance my physical, emotional, relational, financial, and spiritual. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Say it like this. Say it ha sound and release it through your mouth. This meditation will do wonders if you are sitting in a garden and doing this meditation. Because this meditation is guided by divine. Having said that, let me invite Guru, Paramaguru, and Parameshti Guru, entire Guru legacy. I surrender by every single thought to my divinity, to my Guru. I take no responsibility on controlling anything. I'm letting go everything for free as I'm completely guided and protected by divinity. I surrender my trust. Everything belongs to me, to my Guru. Take a deep breath and exhale through your mouth. Keep little chin up little bit so that you will receive light from top of your roof. Now, I invite Mother Sarveswari and I completely surrender to her divinity as I no longer need to control or do anything. Every need is coming out of fear, frightfulness, insecurity, disparity. I'm letting it go. Every low level energy, I'm letting it go. Whether it be shame, guilt, apathy, anything that it no longer serves me, I'm letting it go. I am what I am, and that completely enough. I totally surrender myself to divine. As my mother goddess is holding me, I now invite Lord Ganesha. I invite Lord Ganesha. I completely surrender to Lord Ganesha. From here onwards, I take complete guidance from my gurus Sarveswari and Lord Ganesha. I'm not alone in this journey, and I don't need to do anything out of fear. I honor every person, I honor myself. There is only love in this universe, and I'm connected to that divine love. Having said that, I request Mother Sarveswari to keep a divine protective shield around us and give us a awareness that there is a divine protection shield around us all the time. Mother Goddess, sometimes we forget that you have given us divine protection shield. Can you please give us awareness that there is a protection shield around us and we don't need to be afraid of anything? Focus on your heart. My dear God, I take 100% responsibility for whatever is happening in my life right now. I take 100% responsibility of whatever is happening within me right now. As I now take responsibility, I also take responsibility to clean and clear all these issues right now. I now take a responsibility to clean and clear all this mess within me right now. I'm sorry for my thoughts. I'm sorry for my feelings. I take a right actions and right feelings to make my life much easier. I'm sorry for any unforeseen or unwanted influences happening from my DNA. I'm so sorry for all the earthbound souls that are around me. I request all these earthbound energies to go to Lord Shirdi Sai Baba and go into those Dhuni, divine fire. As this divine fire take them to divine higher realms. So I request any earthbound energies in and around me to leave right now immediately and reach to Shirdi Sai Baba and reach to the divine fire that is Dhuni. I bless every single energy in this universe and I request divinity to raise their vibrations so that they can also receive the divine's love and light. I pray to this divinity to give the divine love and light to every energy source in and around us. I'm sorry for all the fear that showed up. I'm sorry for my family member deeds and thoughts. I'm sorry for my family members' deeds and thoughts. I'm sorry for my relatives' deeds and thoughts. I'm sorry for my relatives' deeds and thoughts. Maybe with some of my relatives I did not interacted much, but yet I'm requesting universe to pardon them on behalf of me. My ancestors and their deeds and thoughts also request the divine to forgive them. I request divine to forgive my ancestors and their desires and their thoughts. And all negative energies stored within me are replaying as this issue. All negative energies stored within me are replaying as this issue. But today I'm setting up and letting them go. I release every imprint that caused pain and suffering. I destroyed every single information that is leading to this incorrect failure story. I release every karmic echo that is surrounded by this issue. I now call my divine light to heal my thoughts and feelings and take every layer, every level, every dimension of my being back into origin. Analyze and correct it perfectly with the divine truth. Analyze and correct it with divinity, with perfect divine truth. I request my superconscious mind to heal every thought and feelings that is erased through this issue. Take every layer, every level, every dimension of my being back to its origin. I request my divine guru to heal every layer, every level, every dimension, and bring me back to my origin. Analyze and correct it perfectly with the divine truth. Analyze and correct it with divine truth. Please, my dear divine, move me into my future with complete love and compassion. Heal every aspect of myself and my family. Heal every layer according to divine love and righteousness. Heal every layer with divine love and righteousness. Fill every space in my family, within myself, within my family members with the divine love and light. Fill every space in my family, within myself, and within my family relatives with the divine love and light. Fill every cell of my body with peace. Fill every cell of my body with peace. Fill every cell of my body with peace. Fill every memory with truth. Fill every memory with truth. I hereby let go every memory that is no longer serving me. I forgive myself for all my incorrect perceptions. I forgive myself for all my incorrect perceptions. I forgive every person. I forgive every place. I forgive every person. I forgive every place. I forgive every circumstances. I forgive every event. I forgive every circumstances. I forgive every event that contributed my current pain and suffering. With total forgiveness and with unconditional love. With total forgiveness and with unconditional love. I also request my dear divine to delete all my patterns from my DNA. My dear divine, please release all the old patterns from my DNA. I'm releasing it. I'm letting it go. I'm releasing it and I'm letting it go right now in this moment. Take a deep breath and declare to yourself, I choose peace. I am peaceful. I feel peaceful. I feel calm. I now feel healed. I now feel free. I now feel peaceful. I now feel calm. I now feel healed. I now feel free. I now feel peaceful. I now feel calm. I now feel healed. I now feel free. Freedom is my birthright. Freedom is my birthright. I allow every physical, mental, and emotional trace of my old energy to disappear quickly and gently. I now allow every physical, mental, and emotional trace of my old energy to disappear quickly and gently. It is done, it is done, it is done. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Super Consciousness. Thank you, Divine, for coming to my aid and restoring me wholeheartedly. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, my Super Consciousness, for coming to my aid and restoring me to my completeness. I love you. I love you, Divine. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I praise the divine source. I praise the divinity. I completely surrender to my divinity. And I am blessing everyone in this universe. I'm blessing everyone in this universe to restore to their peace and harmony. Now, come back to your consciousness. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feeling fresh and regenerated. Thank you. See you tomorrow.